What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, on a real level, you know, my people. Sad situations. Shocking, my people. Because with the news release now, my people, say Ricky Trooper lose him daughter, my people. His daughter was murdered basically by her ex, my people. Because based on the info I get, so them not together no more. But I know some look idiot man, my people. Some look fool man. Some look nonsense man. Some look junker man, my people, on a real level. Because that's the thing right now, my people. And the picture I want to ask my people who is wanted, my people. At this time, I never get no information if he in custody or anything yet, my people. But all me have is some people that fool sinting ya. That look idiot sinting ya. Only Jah sees and he know, my viewers and subscribers. Because it's a really sad situation I know. You know what I mean? For sister the man lose him daughter and for see a female lost her life, my people, by the hands of a wicked piece of sin thing. Only Jah sees and he knows, my viewers and subscribers. Because them say, yesterday, you know, my people. You understand? Yesterday, you know, on the Thursday, my people, which is April the 6th, 2023, my people. The police, them get a call, you understand, about some knives and something, my viewers and subscribers that come from an apartment before. So by the time them for reach over them viewers and subscribers, they found the female who is just 23 years old. She dey on the ground, my people, lifeless and thing. And when they come to boom and check her, my people, them find her a suffer from gunshot wounds. You get what me I say? Dead on the spot, my people. And them know say at the piece of sin thing, because based on checks so them are making everything, my people, at the piece of sin thing, you understand? Him are the one who them know they are the apartment with our people. So he's the person of interest and he's the one who the police them list wanted. The girl was talking about the situation about this man before, my people. You know what I mean? She even explained to her father. So I have a video, my people, and this is the video where Ricky Trooper finally speak about, because everybody that say Ricky Trooper and say nothing remain silent, but he do speak up, my people, and I show him feeling, boy, I tell it's a sad situation, my people, because him and him daughter, him talking at the video to people was very close, and him make you know say him and all and children them close, and I like say him prefer none than none. But that one of my people, on a real level, him really close to her, because I have seen when her birthday they gone on my checking page and they make a post, my people. You understand? Him post a picture from when she a baby and talk or him love her and them something to people, and for no so yo, the old wicked dirty sin thing take out the man picking like this, my people. And yo, some man fool, you know, me talk them thing all the while. So look at the man. You know that woman, you know who are my people. There's no way the man on earth can tell me about your own woman, I feel your woman. You understand? Sometimes as man, I mean, I pick up, you know what I mean? Me nah say yo, me a this no man, but a real thing, some man does feel like say yo, them cannot give up and feel like say yo, them can hurt the woman them, and the woman them decides say no, is either them a go human a go hurt them back, go burn them back, or if the woman decides, you know what, me a go find a new man, me and you done, them just decide so them can't let go, my people. Why? You understand? Why people are them life to live? Make people live, yo, and you go use and take out the girl 3 points like that. People, this girl was a very, you know what I mean, girl who have potential. She was a girl who followed the entertainment business like her father. You know her father is a top veteran selector, my people. You understand? She was a girl who keep her little party them and thing, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? So a little promoter and thing. And if you tell us, yo, only Jah sees and knows, a lot of people among the last of her, even Ricky Trooper, enemy, you understand, if you come forward and make a post about it, my people, you know what I mean? Because it's a sad situation. It's a sad situation, and for anybody, any other DJ selector, them are going to feel the same way too. You know what I mean? So I'm going to share the clip, my people, with Ricky Trooper speak about him daughter and things. So very sad when the people and I explain to you the reason behind, because I make you know same daughter. They tell him a situation already, my people, and I make you know so like it the whole thing, my people, you know what I mean? You need glasses, see, you know what I mean? If you have sense, you can read between the lines. You know want to tell a full force, but I make you know say, you know what I mean? It's like the girl basically, she and the boy have problem with people. She decides so she done with them, she let go, but the boy no want to let go. The boy, you know what I mean, and this are the result. You know, it's either she a move on, she find a new man and she a move on with people. I do. You get what me I say, but him decides, you know, he nah go so. And this is how him finish it with people, cause Ricky Trooper make you know so she did talk to him about it already. You know what I mean? She talk to him about the boy situation, but him in a pre himself, so the boy that be so fool and be so stupid and be so cruel and be so wicked and vicious and take out our 3 points like that, my people. But sad situation. So when I just check out this, my people, and don't know, remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Remember, one team, my people, one dream, and a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, my people, and just stay safe, continue to do the right thing, my people. Enough love, and just check out the video, my people. Sad situation, and just leave some black art, my people. You understand? Because you don't know, we are mourn for Brianna, my people. Bree, rest in peace. You don't know, we know, so right now, we're not rest in peace until justice served, but sleep in peace, Bree. And my condolences to Ricky Trooper, Bree, the whole side of family, you know what I mean, our friends, relatives, and for everybody who are mourn the loss of her, my people. Sad situation, you don't know, my people. Enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. Just check out Ricky Trooper, speak out, my people, from the passing of his daughter. Peace out, blessings.
Here I go on fans them, you know, not too still long for that thing I can dance me I go still. So me I say, but I just want show all the people them, you know. All the people want to show me love and, you know, send condolences to me and the family through that trying time. I just want the people them know say, yo, Bonify, you know, respect all I want and thanks to the love, but it hard for answer so much phone calls and messages. It's like at the first my phone really clog up like this star with messages and call me. You know, I know thousands of people star. Thousands of people I know, and people are called from all over the world. See? People are called from all over the world, and it's like, you know, I can't answer to so much people. So it's not a disrespect to who I call me or who I try link me. Saying, because I know say, you know, when I show the love and support people, when I have to understand it hot. And, you know, I got through a trying time. Saying, you know, you used to hear them things happen to people, and I say, yo, I look, you know, I wonder why them things happen, and wish say, I want to find myself in a position about such is life, and them say no question the Almighty, saying, but sometimes you have to wonder if God really there still, because more time when something go on, you know. But me I hold it, people, you know, me I hold it, saying, it rough, but me I hold it. See me I say, right now, as me sit down as I talk to me and dance, me I go. The sound I play tonight. We play a sound wave HQ tonight, you know. We play a sound wave HQ tonight, me and the next sound, and the sound of other days say weekend, and we just have to do the work, people. Cause for you take promoter money, you can't tell them say this happen and that happen. You just have to just do the work, star. And I'm telling the truth. And the music, really and truly, I keep me going. See, and the music star. And the music, you see me? Just I play the music, and that me know if you done. It all my sanity right now. You see me? Just I play the music. See me? I just play the music. A couple of months ago, I bury my father. Not even get over that yet, you know. A couple of months ago, I bury my father, star, and then this got happen, people. You see me? Baby, innocent star. Cause you talk to a one and you say you're not in a nothing with them and you're done. And I wanna go on like say boy, Saying them own you. Nobody know, yo, I'm telling you something, road boy. All I who have daughter. Saying, because my daughter them close, you know, bro. My daughter them close. All my pity them close, star. My pity them close, bro. Saying, and when I reason, me know what go on and rare and you know, you did hear all it to that and rare, but I never know say a man that got so far. Saying, but the thing is, this is social media. I'm a boy, and I go say this, or I'm not go say that. I just deal with these people. See? So I deal with them. And just wallet. See me? But the fans them, my fans them star, me I tell you, say, thanks to the love. Thanks to the love, because I wanna keep me going. Oh no. See? Wanna keep me going, star. Tell you. Wanna keep me going. Me's not a biblical youth still, you know. Me's a boy still believing a yai for a yai and toad for a toad. You know. But as I say, thank all like people, the artist industry, you know, who reach out to me, saying, oh, send them condolences. You know. Because no man no owe me no obligation. No man no owe me no obligation for call me and say nothing to me. And say rare. Because everybody have them life. No man no owe me no obligation, but who goes a boom and show me love, respect. Them say, even when your enemy show you respect, saying, because you and a man can be enemies in no people. But when the greatest thing in life, when you go through certain thing, an enemy show you respect. You know? I say, respect the bounty killer. You reach out, you know? Say your condolences and rare. Saying, although you say not like a bone in me, saying, when I watch that in a killer car, you see, if you never got some boom and it's a real youth, you own no post nothing. Now I have nothing against your killer. Anything will go on between me and you, that a music, but when it comes to family, real family, and we have to face reality. See, we can't mix up music in a reality thing. We just reality and reality. You see me? Reality and reality, dog. But me I hold it. It's rough, but me I hold it. Me have to hold it. Cause you just have to hold it. See? Cause people are hungry with you. But I just know how thriller you feel in the people, because me tell you something. It's like you lose a parent, you know. Your parent can drop out, bro. Your parents can drop out, and we know say then we get and them drop out, or maybe something happen tragic and we lose a loved one, but by right, no father and no mother not supposed to bury them picnic, and your picnic supposed to bury you. See? And your picnic supposed to bury you. And your picnic supposed to bury you. So me I say, thanks to the love, thanks to the support, all who reach out to me. And me say again, the whole artist industry, saying, the whole artist industry, all who reach out to me, everybody, thanks to the love. But, you know, I want to just give a little privacy right now, star. Because I can't do with a whole heap of call and message, you know. No hold it on. Just bless up on yourself, people. And stay safe. I'm out.